Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to turbocharge your internet with a powerful combination, a premium UDP server and a VPN app. This setup not only speeds up your browsing, but also adds a serious layer of protection. We'll be using SSL Tunnel for our server and the HTTP CUSTOM VPN app. Let's get started. Step 1. Get your supercharged server. 1. Find SSL Tunnel. Open your Chrome browser and search for SSL Tunnel website. Click the link to their official website. 2. Choose the premium UDP server. Tap on the menu button to see the available server options. Look for the premium UDP server section. These are like the VIP lanes of the internet, super fast and super secure. 3. Create your account. Enter a username, password, and complete the CAPTCHA. Click Create Now to set up your account. 4. Save your server details. Once your account is set up, you'll see your server details. Copy these carefully. They're your key to connecting to the server. Save them somewhere safe, like a note on your phone or a password manager. Step 2. Connect with HTTP CUSTOM VPN. 1. Get HTTP CUSTOM VPN. Open the Play Store on your device and search for HTTP CUSTOM VPN. Download and install the app. 2. Launch HTTP CUSTOM VPN. Open the app on your device. 3. Enable UDP. Check the UDP box within the app settings. This tells the app to use the UDP protocol for the fastest connection. 4. Paste your server details. Paste the server details you copied earlier into the designated fields within the app. 5. Connect. Tap the Connect button on the app's home screen. And that's it. You've now created a secure, supercharged connection with a premium UDP server. Enjoy lightning-fast browsing and an extra layer of protection online. Let's stay connected. For continued support and engagement, join us on Telegram and WhatsApp. You can find the links in the video description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Important note, always be cautious when using third-party services. Ensure you are using reputable and secure services. Consider the potential risks associated with VPN usage and always prioritize your online safety.